My name is Adam Hecht. I'm one of the co-founders at Dive and Decibel. We started Dive as a way to accelerate additive manufacturing through making products more sustainable, accessible, and tailored. And with that, we launched Decibel Made, a brand dedicated to doing this in the world of sustainable furniture and custom architectural solutions. Going back to sustainability, accessibility, and customization, large format additive manufacturing checks all of those boxes for us. It enables us to use sustainable materials, which with far less waste than traditional processes. It enables us to offer design and the ability to utilize this to more designers, architects, people around the world. And it enables us to customize products like never before, especially for the built environment where there are so many different types of people and spaces, and the value of customization is far greater. Since we started working with the Heron AM system, we've been able to achieve a lot in the built environment. So a lot of furniture pieces like you see here through our brand Decibel. And we've been able to work with architects and designers around the world collaborating on projects of all different scales, creating really more customized spaces, everything from reception desks to wall panels to seating. It's been really amazing to see how we can lower the barriers in creating these custom sustainable pieces. Our partnership with Caracol has really enabled us to go so much further in exploring large format additive manufacturing. Their team has been an incredible resource, such a wealth of knowledge when it comes to designing for new applications and working alongside our team. It's really been amazing to be able to leverage their years of experience to help our customers. So I'm sitting inside of our latest 3D printing project. We're at the SNIA factory at Alcova in Milan Design Week. Created a range of 3D printed chair designs with designers all around the world, showing the flexibility of this technology in creating these pieces, as well as giving access to more designers to actually create products. This is a really good demonstration of not only how the technology can be utilized anywhere. We're sitting in an abandoned factory right now printing chairs, but it also shows the range of different materials, textures, and finishes that we can access using large format additive. For our industry, working in architecture and design, I definitely see this evolving towards a much larger scale. So working in hospitality, in retail, in workspaces, really tailoring the spaces for the needs of the environment and using the technology to make an even greater impact. So not just one or two pieces, but really throughout spaces. Right now, we're a little bit limited in the US with the sustainable materials we have access to, but as we grow and as we build demand, we hope to see that more companies will follow suit to creating more sustainable bio-based and recycled solutions that can be used at this scale. I'm really most excited about working with Caracol in terms of helping to show the world what's possible with their technology. We're really trying to build awareness and educate designers around the world as to what's possible with this. I mean, this is a perfect example here around us, all of these pieces, with designers like Kareem Rashid, all the way to newer designers that have never displayed at Milan Design Week. It's such an amazing way to show what's possible, to inspire new designers in new industries to try this, to see how they can help to make an impact and utilize this to make products, again, more sustainable, accessible, and tailored.